Hello everyone, Mr. Gilbert Smith here from Mark Tyndall to tell you all about Sora, how to use it, how to log on, how to find our school, and how to borrow books. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to share my screen with you, which hopefully you can see now. And the first thing I'm going to do is type in Sora into the search bar. So a Google search works just fine too. And here it is coming up at the top, soraapp.com, and I'm going to click on the top one. So once I've done that, it should come up with this page here, which should say here, find my school. And I'm going to click on it. Now, unfortunately, none of these schools here are our school. So I'm going to go down to here where it says my school isn't listed. And in this search bar here, I'm going to type in Tyndall. Okay, you could type in Arc Tyndall Primary Academy, all of that works. And you click on here, this is my school. Now that should take us here to this page, this drop-down menu, where I don't even need to scroll down, but you might need to scroll down just a little bit to where it says Arc Tyndall Primary Academy. And then click sign in. Now, I think I'm going to get quite lucky here because it's going to sign me in automatically because I'm on my school laptop. But don't worry, if yours doesn't do it automatically, then just think it's the same username and password as what you use for Mathletics or the one that you use on your laptop. In my class, both of them, lots of different people have tried different things and it's worked just fine with either one of those. So once we're here, here is the home page, and you could see, if you remember from assembly, here is the book that I borrowed about basketball. But if we scroll down, here's the World Book Day books coming up here. And if we click on explore, we'll find, well, here are the World Book Day books. There's lots of different books, but we'll come back to that. Because here at the bottom, it says shelf. Now here is the book that I borrowed, yeah? And it tells me here that it's due back in 6 days. And that I'm 42% through it. So you have options here. If you want to give it back early, you can, or if you want to renew it, you can do that too, okay? But I'm going to show you all the different kinds of books. So I'm going to scroll down, and here are some popular subjects. Look at all the thousands of different books you can borrow. It says explore all subjects. Right, let's have a look. Let's have a look at, oh, I don't know. Let's have a look at geography. There we go. So straight away here, you can see here is a book, an audio book. And you can tell that because of the headphones that you can see there. Or let's have a look at a different book over here. Let's have a look at this book here. This looks interesting to me. And if I want to borrow it, I can, or if I want to read a sample first to see if I like it, I can. I can click borrow, and then that means it's mine to read for a whole week. And you can see it's popping up here, ready for me to read if I feel like it, when I feel like it. Okay? So I hope that works really well for you. Good luck and enjoy. Bye.